Mimi nafurahi sana kufika St. Angelas. It is true, as we were growing up, we used to think of St. Angelas, Molango Girls, those were the schools, Tukiwa Kiki School, and I didn't know about the twinning, but St. Charles Lwanga came up very strongly. And like Mheshimiwa Gina said, we celebrate the work of the Catholic Church in advancement of education, not just in Kitui, but in the whole country. And I'm told that His Eminence Archbishop Muheria was the one who started the Old Girls Association, the alumni class, and you have seen here a whole professor who taught not even in Kenya, but she was able to teach out the universities in South Africa, became a prominent African leader, and now she's there mentoring all of you. I want to challenge the old girls. Na Mheshimiwa MCA wa Kitui Town amezungumza juu muwe na Parents Association as well, lakini mkuangalia mwanza pia grandparents club because our watoto nao wako katika hali ya emergency, and we have seen them and we have heard them. This is a new generation and we need to support them. So as we celebrate the work of the Catholic Church, we also challenge the alumni. I'm told there are 7,000 of you, Professor. 7,000. I want to give you a promise. If the 7,000 of you will gather here, wale ambao watakuwa haja tumana support yao, tukutane na wao hapa, wherever they are in the country or beyond, in another 1 month's time, I'm ready to come back here. I don't know whether you got my point. Because ile budget watoto wanauliza hapa should be funded almost 100% by those 7,000 people who came through St. Angelas, and they are able to make it well in life. That's my challenge to you. I'm told the budget is about 50 million shillings. Lakini ukianzisha hapa mpangilio tumeanzisha, na wazazi tutarudi tena. Wazazi hoye! Hoye! Mweuko? Kamwe maginye ene kotoa Ruto. Maginye? Amesema yeye amesoma, amepata PhD. Na mama mmoja analalamika, anasema nyinyi sasa mmesahau mambo ya mamboga. But that is the country we live in today. A lot of challenges, but girls, remember to put God first. St. Angelas ameona uniform ni ile tu, na smartness ni ile tu, mujipigie makofi. Munapiga namna hata makofi ni style. Hata makofi ni smart and intelligent. Kwa hivyo tutaki kuongea zaidi. I was once Minister for Education, and I know how to grow this country in terms of education. Right now there's confusion, and we hope we'll be able to sort it out going forward. It's not a matter for William Ruto alone, but all of us in this country. Higher Education Loans Board, which was a funding board ambayo ilitusaidia mimi nikitoka huko Sekuru nikaenda university to study law. After Kitui School, of course, I went to Meru School, and we did well. We had A levels then. Now there's a lot of confusion and lack of clarity and uncertainty in the education sector. Just there is so much confusion in the other sectors in our country. But we will demystify those challenges. We will deal with them. We will lead from the front. If there's a court ruling saying that the funding model is not workable, then we go back to Higher Education Loans Board. So watoto kutoka, what is happening? We are metumwa huyo. Because I was making this point, it's so important. that every Kenyan child with ability to get to university must be enabled to get there without let or hindrance. And so, Baitundina Detombingi, I know the girls may not all be speaking Kikamba. How many girls do not speak Kikamba? Nataka nione. Inua mkono the girls who don't speak Kikamba. Ah, well done. Na wale ambao wanaelewa Kikamba mkono juu. Ah. Why are you celebrating? You are intimidating your fellow students. So sit next to the one who does not understand Kifaransa, which is about what I'm about to speak. Na wazazi wangapi hawaelewi Kikamba? Nataka nione. Wale wanaelewa Kikamba? Asante. They are the majority. Ila naona chairperson wa Parents Association, mwetu wa kanuni wa Nzabi. Is that correct? Mwetu wake? Mwetu wa kanuni tu. He's really grown. He's really grown. Baitu mwekedhwe na Kimako. Nikuchee na nasisi ondo yetu eno ilimbu eno ya mwe wakata tuweka makuyana. No tuwe tuwena viena wa kusome viona isiana. Lakini tusife moyo, mumeona viongozi hapa, Mheshimiwa Dr. Mulu, mjumbe wa Kitui Central, ndio mtavieno makatika ndwala aheshimiwa ma Wiper Democratic Movement. Tuikwate itimono. Mheshimiwa Nondo, you are senior member of that party. You are one of the guys who studied properly in economics. In fact, now, although we're saying to hatutaongea mambo haya, maybe on Tuesday, when the National Assembly reconvenes, you should not be sitting there. What are you in the committee? What committee are you? Public debt. Is that the committee? Budget. Budget committee. Now, according to the ruling yesterday, you are not supposed to be where you are. Because now Azimio la Umoja coalition, to which we belonged then, I hope we continue belonging, right? Should be the majority. Therefore, maybe you should be the chair of the budget committee. Na ukiwa chairman wa budget committee, utaleta pesa zote huku Kitui Central. Si ni kweli? Na zingine ulete Kitui ama sivyo? Na tutakuwa na shida ya kusumbuana na wazazi. So, this is Kenya. You have to stand for your right, whether you are young or old. Naendi mbaitu mumaniki adhiki angune ba? Ulawe isi uko yulu. Kiadhiki angune mweka 2020 chao? Kana de tui bikaku? Wedu kise speed ino ruto twaite Kenya. Itu bikaku mbaitu? Anduma siolo mamukuni kelele ndiao na president yungi kuma nevi to parliament make sionde Moi nondo ene dhiego ndako ni wakelele Kibaki ndako ni wakelele Uhuru wa Kenyatta ndiye wako ni wakelele Ruto na dhina no bungu mwana anyo bungu kioneketa haroneka itupo ya Ruto bungu sio ambe nyiba ala basi to muboya kana ambe kwenu kana mkono eno ke kabola kana tigo ni kana siana isi to iso mebate na ngwe. I want to conclude by saying that St. Angela's is an important school for us. Bishop Mongela and the Catholic Diocese of Kitui, thank you. Nimeona even the priest presiding today is also a Gen Z. Really, father? Looks like a Gen Z. Okay. So, this is your time. To school, so next year, principal, we want to hear of 10 points. MINSCO, Kabarak, Ingineko Alliance, this is our alliance. And of course, when I was MP for Kitui North, ndio nilijenga Modhale mpaka ika overtake St. Angela's. Modhale ikawa national school. But you are also very close to Mothale. Let there be positive competition. And I am sure we're all going to end up better. A better school, a better county, and a better country. May God bless this land, this school, our land. Na mujiandae waina ngui. Waiwa tokelia wa asia na tozi tuange kweteka isi ukone. Baikatia leo nomwe. Mwaiwa ndo nasi? Ama waipa, ama tema waipa, tuktuike hiki ndo keno monyololo. Tika natu okwe Kenya, tupuyo okwe ya buka tika. Kia ugomba ito? Alama kwa zima kwe tika lana kwa yolo. Thank you so much. And we are now going to give a small contribution. And I know that Dr. Makali, and I want to thank Mheshimiwa Irene Kasalu as well. She's a real mother. Kumbe tayari amesomesha wengine. Tumpigie makofi hata yeye. Na anazidi kusomesha. Is a true mother of the county. So, Dr. Makali Mulu, will you lead us? Because tunataka atoe ile yake mzuri as your member of parliament na sisi tumusindikize.